Okay, here is a typical question. So an extraction from an income statement was given, and there is two x and y location, and they want you to find x and y. All right. So if you like to give this a try, I would suggest you pause the video because in a while I will go through both. Okay, how to find the x as well as the y. Okay, let's take a look at the last year. Right, this is where the X actually is. We do know that in order to get profit, we can take the revenue, okay, subtract the cost of goods sold. All right, so our profit we can extract from 120, which is in thousand, so we just extract 120, and the cost is actually 180. Right, so revenue is of course X. Right, this is revenue over here. All right. Now, of course, we need to do a little bit of arrangement. So we need to bring the 180 over to the other side. So you have 120 plus 180, and you get 300. All right. So you now have your X. All right. So this 300 here, of course, represent 300,000 because here it states it is by 1,000. Now, if we look at the current year, the net profit, right, but most of the time we just write it as profit or loss, but in this case it's a profit, is calculated by deducting, okay, all expenses and overhead, okay, of the business from the gross profit. So we have the gross profit here, 150. We know the profit is 15. Okay, and the expenses, of course, is y. Okay, so we need to bring the y over to the other side and bring the 15 over to this side. So 115 subtract 15. So 150 subtract 15, you get 135. Okay, so not that particularly difficult. Okay, just need to remember a few things, okay, from your textbook. That's all.